I'm glad that I didn't wait till I was 45 to get a tummy tuck. You are young and hot once. Now I feel like I have like my full mommy makeover and I'm so happy and so much stronger. My name is Jillian, I'm 27 years old and I'm getting a tummy tuck, hernia repair, and they're sewing my abs back together. I am so excited. I've literally wanted this since after my first baby. I have 3 now. My skin just like never recovered. My belly button is the weirdest looking thing I've ever seen in the entire face of the earth now. Dr. Barrett is someone that I've followed for a long time. He actually did my breast augmentation too, so I literally love him and everyone that works here, so I just felt very comfortable coming back. Yes, I love my body. I'm so grateful for it. I'm so grateful that it was able to give me 3 kids, but I can also want it to look the way that I want, and I don't think that that's necessarily a vain thing or something that should be looked down upon. If this is going to make you feel better day to day, 1, and just your confidence, 2, I'm in pain all the time because my abs are not working the way that they're supposed to, and I don't feel like I can live up to my full potential as a mom with my kids. So this isn't just necessarily like a cosmetic thing. I'm really excited to feel my best too now.
All right, so every time she wears jeans, this little part hangs over. I mean, you can see she's doing everything she can. There's no amount of diet and exercise that's gonna get rid of that, oftentimes after pregnancy or weight loss. So we're gonna take care of that for you today. Cool. Everybody, here's our patient. She is a beautiful mom of 3 children. Her youngest is 1 year old, and you can see it's taking a toll on her body, basically. So this is common to see this extra skin, especially below the belly button and also a little bit up here. But the big thing I want to point out is an umbilical hernia. This can happen during and after pregnancy. If you feel this, there's kind of excess skin and tissue here get pushed back in and closed up. Something we could do, or a general surgeon. But if you want to kind of combine that with the tummy tuck, we can do that at the same time, which we're going to do today. We're also going to do a super low incision for her, do a touch bit of kind of gentle liposuction sculpting. It's going to look fantastic. She's going to be ready for the summertime. New beach body. So stay tuned. I'm doing a little bonus contouring in the midline. You take away a little bit more fat here, you can get this nice highlight of your abdominal muscles. And that was one thing she requested, is to get more visibility of her abdominal muscles. So we're just going to do a little contouring here for her for that. So this is the belly button here, and you can see the weakness is right here. So I'm going to put, if I put pressure on it, I can feel it. So we're going to repair it on the top side of the belly button and then bring that down to reinforce it. So we have our amount of skin here. It's about 5.5 ounces. Not a whole lot of weight, but it's the skin, it's the looks, it's cosmetics. All right, here's Skinny Mom Rejuvenation, our recap, all right? So we took care of all this extra skin. We did a little bit of liposuction as well. Wanted to contour this and give her a little more definition for the abs. And then also we fixed the belly button, okay? So you can see it right here. There was a hernia behind there. We were able to close that up and then debulk the belly button because that stretched out on its own as if it was pregnant because of the hernia behind it constantly during her pregnancy. Kept our incision super low, closed in multiple layers. She's gonna have a nice, beautiful result. Full results, they take a little while, okay? So most people feel pretty much good by 10 to 12 days, and full results are right around 6 months. If you're interested in this procedure, check out our website, drdanielbarrett.com, and feel free to submit a virtual consultation form. If you have a hernia repair, sometimes this can be covered by insurance. If you like what you saw today, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe to see more cool surgery videos just like this. Thanks for watching.
Recovery was really smooth. Really get up and move around. It helped me so much. The supplements are crazy. I have very minimal bruising compared to other things that I've seen before and afters. The after supplement, people have been complimenting me on my skin too, so I feel like it's healing me from the inside out. So not only is this gonna look really good, I feel really great just everywhere else. I'm very pleased with my results. I already am dancing around in the mirror looking at myself. I'm really excited to have this done already. I feel so confident already.
We gotta take out stitches today. We're gonna get this drain out today. And yes, I still use drains because we wanna get rid of a lot of that fluid that the body has that I think is not great to self-absorb, okay? So we're gonna get that out today. We're gonna get these stitches out today. And my favorite part is having a look at the belly button. You can see how that's gonna start to look. It looks beautiful.
Instantly, that was the first thing I looked at after surgery. I was like, thank goodness.
The key for a really good tummy tuck is the belly button, you know, and so it's got to look good, it's got to look natural, especially for you. That was like a focal point for this operation, and I'm really happy with how it's looking so far.
Me too, I'm really excited.
Cool.
For it only being week 3, like even if it looked like how it was today, I would still be so happy because I feel like it's like perfect. I feel like the last week everything has come together so much because the stitches are out, so I could see the final vision. I can't wait to be out of compression because I would wear it as is right now. Like, I love it, so I'm excited. I'm gonna use the After as a multivitamin like forever. I love it. I even used a different vitamin my last surgery here, and I can notice a huge difference in my recovery. So even from the last time I had surgery with a different protocol of vitamins to this one is a huge difference. It's one of like the best vitamins. All of the products after the Barrett recovery are like the best, top of the line, and I've literally tried like everything out there. All the ones you see like clickbait on TikTok and everything, and I swear these, like, I notice a huge difference. Everything is looking amazing and feeling really good. I feel like I can start working out again, which is really nice. I have like minimal to no swelling, so I am just really happy like wearing a bikini and everything during the summer, so I feel great. My scar is healing for the most part really, really good. There's one little part of it that's pink that Dr. Barrett's gonna look at, but I have like a very significant history of keloiding, so for there to only be one little part of it that's pink, I'm so happy. My belly button looks insane. Everyone says it's like the most natural belly button they've seen of a tummy tuck. It looks so good. It looks so natural. People haven't even like guessed that I had a tummy tuck. Now when I lean over, my belly button's not 6 inches off of my body. There's not loose skin hanging over my jeans out of my bikini. Like, I have a waist now. Like, everything just looks so good that the scar is really, really worth it. And scars like are minimal and go away. Like, I'm only at 6 months now, and they say a scar takes like 12 to 18 months to fully heal, and it already looks like great, and it's so minimal, and it's like very like invisible. You are young and hot once, so I'm glad that I didn't wait till I was 45 to get a tummy tuck, because right now I'm like young, running around with my kids. I feel like my actual best. I had kids really young, and so I think that just doing this now instead of not waiting, I'm so happy. I also had Dr. Barrett a couple years ago do my breasts, and then I still breastfed through them, and so now I feel like I have like my full mommy makeover, and I'm so happy. Just like so glad that I got it done, I got it out of the way, and now like the healing's kind of just like behind me, and I feel really like great about myself and so much stronger.
Combination of two things for a successful tummy tuck. Belly button's got to look natural. Hers was really tough. She had a big hernia. You saw that extra skin, so we were able to take all that in, and then keeping the incision nice and low to kind of keep it in the underwear line, and then combining it with a nice body sculpting. Okay, so there's a liposuction result here that you can't really appreciate, but it's there. It looks good. So all this came together, home run result, and more importantly, for her strength is much better. So she's able to do planks and things like that, where she wasn't able to do. So her diastasis was wider. Okay, so do some research on that. How do you fix a diastasis? One of them is a tummy tuck, and it works really well. What's the biggest change that you've noticed with everything?
I feel so much stronger, just like day to day, like holding my baby. Like, my back's not hurting as much because my core is working, which is
awesome.
Huge for me because I have 3 kids and they all want to be held all the time. So
3 kids, everybody. That's amazing.
People all the time are like, oh my gosh, these are your kids. Like, there's no way. And everyone's like, wait, you've had a tummy tuck? Because my belly button does not look like a tummy, like a typical tummy tuck belly button, because it looks so natural. So I'm very excited.
And thanks for sharing. We're 6 months out. Her scarring is looking really good, but we're going to continue another few months. We have a whole scar management protocol that she's doing, and you can see we have a little belly button sphere that we put in. So even if you're getting a tummy tuck somewhere else, you can actually use some of the products that she's using, which she's actually talked about. And if you don't follow Jill already, you should. We'll give you a link down below. But yeah, a lot of the silicone stuff she's working makes a big difference on scarring that you guys can use too. So thanks so much for sharing.
No, you're the best. Thank you.